Hello students, welcome to SNCS. Today we'll start our first chapter for class 3rd Science, that is living things and non-living things. In this chapter we will read about natural things, man-made things, living things, non-living things, difference between living things and non-living things. So let us start with our first topic, that is natural things. Natural things. Things like animals, plants, the sun, the moon, mountains, rivers, air and water are made by nature. These are called natural things. So these things, animals, plants, sun, moon, mountains, everything is made by God. Everything is naturally present. So these are the natural things. Everything which is made by God is known as the natural things. These are the example of natural things: sun, moon, water. Now we'll move to our next topic, that is man-made things. Things like books, chairs, tables, vehicles, roads, buildings, etc. are made by man. These are called man-made things. So children, books, chairs, tables, vehicles, all these are made by man. These are made by human beings. So that's why these are man-made things. Understood? These are the example of man-made things. Everything which is made by men. Now look at the picture. Can you find natural things and man-made things? Yes, apple, butterfly, human beings, bird are the natural things. Chair, refrigerator, car, scissors are the man-made things. So now your concept is clear of natural things and man-made things. So we will move on to our next topic, that is living things and what are its features. All living things grow, move, need food, reproduce, feel, breathe and excrete. These are the features of living things. Now what are living things? Living things show these features. Plants, animals, human beings are the living things. We grow, we move from one place to another, we need food, reproduce. Now what is the meaning of reproduce? Reproduce means we produce babies of same kind or species of same kind. We also feel hot, cold, we feel na? We breathe and we excrete. Now what is the meaning of excrete? Excrete means removing waste from the body. So all these activities are done by living things. Now our next topic is non-living things. Now non-living thing is the exact opposite of the living things. Living things grow, move, need food, breathe, reproduce, excrete. Non-living things do not show these features. For example, your bottle, fan, bag. Does they breathe? Does they reproduce? Does they feel? The answer is no. Non-living things do not move, they do not need food, they do not breathe, they do not feel. So these are the non-living things. Now we will learn about the difference between the living things and non-living things. First is on the basis of growth. Get your own photograph when you were a baby, match it with your recent photograph. Are the two same? The answer is no, because we human beings grow. We are not the same. Does your teddy bear or plant or toy grow? The answer is no, they remain the same because non-living things do not grow. Plants also grow, animals also grow, human beings also grow, but the non-living things do not grow. Next difference is on the basis of movement. Now living things like human beings, animals move from one place to the other. All living things move. Animals move by legs, birds fly with their wings, and fishes swim with their fins. So these animals show movement by different organs like legs. The birds fly with their wings, fishes swim with their fins. Now plants are also living things, but they do not move. They remain fixed to the soil. They remain attached to the soil. But some plants show movements of their body parts. They move their body parts according to some changes. Some examples are a touch-me-not plant fold its leaves when touched. Can you see this green plant? This one? Yes, it is touch-me-not plant, and when you touch it, it folds its leaves. Next example is of a sunflower. Sunflower turns its face in the direction of the sun. Now according to the direction of the sun, sunflower changes its face towards the sun. So plants, being a living thing, they do not move, but some of the plants show movement. And do non-living things move on their own? The answer is no. Non-living things do not move by their own. Now the next difference is between living thing and non-living thing on the basis of need for food. Living things cannot live without food. Food gives them energy to work and grow. Plants also need food to grow. Now, can we survive without food? No, we can't survive without food because food only provides us with energy to grow and to do all our work. Similarly, plants also need food to grow. So plants prepare their own food by using carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. By the process of photosynthesis, they prepare their own food in the green leaves. Does your teddy bear or toy car need food? The answer is no. Non-living things do not need food, and your toy car, your teddy bear, these are the non-living things. Now the next difference is on the basis of reproduction. I already told you what is the meaning of reproduction. To produce babies, to produce young ones of their own kind. All living things reproduce. Some animals like dog, cat, cow, lion, etc. give birth to their babies. Like human beings, they also produce their young ones. Some animals like birds, snakes, etc. lay eggs. Some animals give birth to their young ones. Some animals lay eggs. Snakes lay eggs. Plants produce baby plants from their seeds, stem and leaves and some other plant parts. So plants also reproduce. They also produce baby plant with the help of seeds, stem, leaves and the other parts. Do their toy car or your teddy bear reproduce? Do they produce young ones of their own? No, because they are non-living things and non-living things do not reproduce. Now the next difference is on the basis of feeling. All living things feel the touch, warmth, listen to sounds. You can touch and feel the hotness of your glass of milk or coolness of an ice cube. We feel hot during summers. We feel cold during winters. We also feel hurt when somebody slaps us or hit us. So we are the living things because we feel. Does your teddy bear cry when it falls down? The answer is no, because living things do not feel. Non-living things do not feel. Now the next difference is on the basis of breathing. All living things breathe to live. Living things take oxygen from air and give out carbon dioxide. Human beings and animals like dog, cat and cow have lungs for breathing. Our breathing organ is our lung. It helps us in the breathing. But in some animals like fish breathe through their gills. Insects, they breathe through their skin. So in every other creature, the breathing organ might be different. In human beings and in these animals like dog, cat, cow, the breathing organ is the lungs. In fish, it is gills, and in insects, it is their skin. Plants also breathe through their pores present on the leaves. Now what are these pores? Pores are the tiny holes present on the leaves which are known as stomata. Yes, stomata helps in the exchange of gases. Plants take, what plants take? Which gas? Yes, plants take the carbon dioxide and give the oxygen. So this is the breathing of the plant. Do your toy or teddy bear breathe? No, because non-living things do not breathe. Difference. Now the last difference is on the basis of excretion. All living things excrete. I already told you what is the meaning of excrete. Excrete means removal of waste materials from the body is called excretion. All living things excrete. Tiny animals like amoeba and paramecium excrete through their body surface. Now, human being's body is made up of cells. Every organ, every body part is made up of cells. These cells are the smallest unit of a body. Like this, amoeba and paramecium are also made up of a single cell. They are single cell organism. So they remove their waste by their body surface. Okay. Now plants also are living things, but plants do not excrete like animals, but they give out a gas called oxygen during breathing. Just now I told you exchange of gases takes place in plants also. Plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So this oxygen is released in the form of excretion. So this was our last topic. By this our chapter is complete. Now we'll do the book exercise. Our first question is, take the correct answer. The moon is a natural thing, man-made thing, living thing, artificial thing. What will be the answer? The moon is made by God. It is naturally present, so it is a natural thing. Yes, very good. Now our second question is, the things which do not grow are called living things, non-living things, animals, plants. Yes, the answer is non-living things. Non-living things do not grow and living things grow, and animals and plants are the examples of these living things. Third question is, this gas is used for making food by the plants. Now which gas is taken by plants? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. Yes, the answer is carbon dioxide. Plants take carbon dioxide to prepare their food. Now we will move on to our next question, that is, fill in the blanks with right words from the box. Snakes reproduce by laying. Just now I told you. Yes, eggs. Plants make dash in their green leaves. What do they make? They make their food. A computer is a non-living thing. All living things need food to grow. Fish breathe through their gills. Gills is their breathing organ. So we have completed the chapter, students. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson and understood it. Now what you have to do is you have to download a PDF which has been uploaded on the school website. From school website you can download the PDF, and in that PDF it contains all the answers of this chapter. So you have to write all this answer. You have to write questions from the book and answers from the PDF and complete your work of chapter number 1.